Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to turn on protected tweets on your Twitter account. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Your Account. Your account settings page will open. Click on Account Information. Enter your password and click Confirm to continue. Now click on the Protected Tweets field. Click on the checkbox next to Protected Tweets to turn it on. Click Protect to confirm. That's it. Protected Tweets is turned on your Twitter account. This is how you can turn on protected tweets on your Twitter account. Thank you for watching.